Growing up, there was always this one movie that me and my siblings would watch religiously. It starred the now world famous Kristen Stewart. And in one of the scenes, the teens in the movie actually escape the police on shifter carts after robbing a bank. Ever since then, I've always wanted one. So today I am hopping on a plane and flying to the beautiful sunny California to meet up with Austin, the owner of Electro & Co.
What am I doing?
To live out my childhood dream of running from the police on a little shifter cart. Kidding. But today we are testing the all-new electric drift cart from Electro & Co. That's right, Electro & Co. is doing more than just pit bikes. This is their brand new e-drift cart, and who better to hear the specs from than from the horse's mouth?
What up, guys? Austin from Electro & Company here. In front of me is our newest vehicle, the e-Drift. This is a full-on drift cart designed from the ground up here at Electro & Company. We threw a 60-volt battery in this one, over 5,000 watts of power, crazy steering angle, replaceable front, rear, and side bumpers, adjustable seat, big old wing, and crazy drift ability. So let's go get into it and see what she can do.
What he said. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3 shifter carts, e-drift carts. We're about to rip these. Last time I was here, none of this was paved, so this is the perfect place to ride them. We're on this thing. We got the sleeves on it, 5 kilowatts, 60 volt, I think like 30 amp hour battery. We got 1 cart. We got 2 carts. We got 3 carts. So we got forward, reverse, on, off, Rizzler display, RTR display, 1, 2, 3 sport. But I think this is 5 kilowatts, so it's 25, 3750, and then 5,000. Oh, I feel like we're gonna crash these things, dude. And let's not go down in that crevice, hey? Austin knows what he's doing.
So they all have a slightly different steering settings. The one that red's in is my favorite, and it makes a big difference, so we should rotate. How you set up your steering on these carts greatly affects how they drive. But
dude, honest question, do you think that we could rob a bank and get away from the police on these?
I feel like they wouldn't even chase you at a certain point.
Oh, you gotta slow roll it up the hill. Someone's ended up in the ditch. Yeah, show the banana pit. I'm gonna throw a shell. Bink! This is crazy! Yeah, you gotta go light on the throttle to keep enough grip so you're not just spinning out nonstop. These are so fun, dude. Dude, imagine just taking this to a takeover. Oh! Ah!
Now you know how I hit it.
Now I get it. You don't need to be crazy on the throttle to slide the thing. Honestly, you have more control when you're just kind of on it. Dude, it's just like I don't want to stop driving it. This is so fun, dude. Never did I think like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, when I bought my Electro & Co. Ultimate Razor kit that I would end up here. I ended up here the first time 2 years ago. And now I'm here again. They have it all paved. Electro & Co. is booming. And now we're riding freaking drift carts. Woo! Austin is nice on this thing. He said it's good practice for drifting cars too. Dude, these things are a riot. I get like, I don't get arm pump, I get finger pump.
Finger pump.
Finger pump. Now we're getting used to the thing. 10 times more fun doing it with someone else too. Yeah, because these components are all replaceable too if you f them up, right?
Exactly.
That's nice. Then you just swap it out, get a freshie. I can already see all the Surround kids powder coating these things, all crazy designs. I was just saying how crazy it is, dude. It started with the frickin' Razor kits, and then look at it now. Yeah, you really don't need to be on the throttle the whole time. Just kind of let off. I'm getting so dizzy. Oh, it's like circle wheelies, but with carts. Oh. Yeah, that's where you throttle out, get it a nice tight one. Oh my God, I'm so dizzy. Look how tight we are. Oh my God, this is too good. All right, we're trying to hit this can with the wing. Oh, we're far. I got it. Oh my God, get a couple of these with your buddies. You are living.
What you call an icon living?
That was clean, dude. Dude, it's so easy to 360. Just yeet it around, slam the brake, and then turn your wheel back so it spins back around. What happened?
I need a tow guy.
All right, dude. Well, we'll catch you later.
I'm coming. Alright, I made it.
I'm just gonna put mine in reverse and watch you guys figure this out. Yo guys, so we're just out here at Electroland. We're ripping it. We're having fun. We're on these go-karts. Yeah, it's like a pretty good time. It's a beautiful day. You having fun, Red?
Pretty safe out here too. No
Yeah.
cars, no nothing.
Yeah, dude, it's
Can't
pretty
drive,
cool.
right?
I'm pretty hyped. So yeah, we're having a good time. But yeah, we'll catch you later. You're good now. No, hold it. You just herniated a disc doing that. Oh, now we're ripping! Oh! What a save! I'm definitely afraid to drift it going too quick down the hill because you can't really brake because you have these sleeves on it. You gotta slowly brake. Meanwhile, Austin's back there riding backwards. Oh, that was clean. It's a good kart. Like little parallel park job. Yeah, the steering, you'll be surprised because it'll go a little bit extra. You just really gotta yank it. Austin crashed the one into a tree. I can understand how. But again, the components are replaceable. Look at Red coming in. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh God! 3, 2, 1!
You gotta just commit to the drift. You just gotta stay committed. How much do these cost? 3,500. Cheaper with code ConnorG. I'd say these are pretty valid.
They are very valid. I can't wait to piss my HOA off.
Next up, we're gonna take it up there. We're gonna do a hill climb with it, and then we'll take it to the track to jump it.
Honestly, dude, if someone has the balls to jump it,
Godspeed.
find a way